Hello, welcome back. So, today in this project, first of all, data is very much similar, or I should say same, as it is similar file or same file only. So, today we're going to cover wrap text, okay, merge center. Also, our data is not in a right format, so we will do that too, and we'll cover conditional formatting, format tables, styles, insert, delete, format, auto sum, fill, clear. Okay, so let's begin with it. So first we need to put our date in a proper format. So again, same thing, to select all data in a row till last cell containing data. What we will do, we'll just press ctrl plus shift plus down arrow key to select all the data in a column or the cells containing data in the column. Okay, and it should be very clear that the data in between the cells basically must not be empty, otherwise it will select only one cell above the empty cell. Okay, so let's select the date. We can do both the things. We can put long date as well as short date. Let's put short date, it bit more friendly to me. Okay, so our date is in proper format. Okay, so what wrap text do? Wrap text basically allows you to write data within a cell. Okay, if we go very much down, yeah, here. Okay, if I write in here, if I write my name, Tanishq Tiwari, and click enter. So what we are observing that this particular row and the row or the cell beside to it, let's me enter some data in here too. Let's enter here hmm, Tiwari again and enter. So can you observe in F column 3004 row, this data is not fitting in it. So if I click on wrap text, see, my whole name or adjust is adjusted in one cell only. Okay, so let's just finish it up. We'll remove wrap text from here. Yeah, okay. Now merge center. Merge center, where we use merge center, like here I already have an example. If we are preparing for a table, okay, and we want to put heading in the center, so what we'll need to do, we'll merge some cells and put data in it or put heading in it and put that heading in the center so that it could act like heading. Yes, so what I do just data center, just wrote here, second, center. Okay, now what will I do? I'll just select those cells which I want to merge and see, the selected cells got merged and our heading or the data entered come to the center alignment. Okay, yes, now we know that this is, from here we can increase, from these two options we can increase or decrease decimal, like here if we observe here salary, yeah, salary, if let's take an example, average, let's find an average equals to average of salary. Yes, okay, wait. Average of salary and hit enter. See, this is our average of salary. Now if I want to increase or decrease the decimal places, I can do this. See, decimal places are decreasing. And here it is increasing. Okay, so from here we can do this. Here we can select the format. Like if I go here and select whole data, then go on general currencies, I will put these in pounds. If I want dollars, then we'll go to more options, custom, not custom, currencies will select dollar from here. Here we have dollar and say okay. See, we have dollar in the box. Okay, so let's clear it first. Clear or formats, clear or formats. Now after using this, okay, let's do this simultaneously. Clear all means it clear all the content and all the formats. Okay, but you can choose whether you want to clear formatting or content. Whatever you want to eliminate, you can do that. Okay, so we covered this. Let's cover this. This is insert. What we can insert? We can insert cells, insert rows, columns and sheets even. Yes, delete. What we can delete? We can delete cells, delete rows, delete columns. If I want to delete, let's say in this we have written class, yes, and we want to select, no, not select, we want to delete this. So what we will do, we'll just go on clear, we go on delete and delete sheet column, and the whole column is gone. Yes. Okay, so likewise we can insert as well as delete things. If we come to format, we can adjust rows height, we can adjust row height, auto fit. Acha, what is difference between these two? Remember in the first video we talked about point precision. From here we can decide that how much height we need according to the point. Yes, if I do 5 here, not 5, let's do it 15, so it will be observable bit. Okay, it is not observable yet too. Let's increase bit more. We do here 20. You see that? Okay, the row height got increased. So you can do these things with a point precision. Yes, so you can adjust row height with a point precision. Auto fit, it will automatically adjust itself according to the data. Same thing goes with the column too. We can adjust width of the column. Yes, and default width means the width which is already programmed in it. It will gather that. Like if I want default width here, it is default, right? So 11.1 is default, and if I exceed a bit and now I want default width, then where I go, format and default width. Okay, do not comes to its place, column, format, default width. Okay, I don't know, it is not working right now, so let's adjust it manually. Yeah, format, column width, and we'll do 8. Okay. All right. So format, what else we can do? We can hide and unhide rows. How we can do this? Let's say we are presenting ourselves with a presentation and some rows are irrelevant. Like if we are discussing about um, employees name, id, and address and performance score. Okay, so joining date is irrelevant for us. And yes, so what we can do, we can just hide it by clicking on it. Hide columns. See, this our column is completely hidden. Yeah, C के बाद directly E आ गया. Okay, now if we want to unhide it, so what we'll do, we just go here, format, and unhide columns. Okay, unhide columns. See, a column is back. Yes. Okay, now we are done with format. Are we done with format? Okay, we can also rename the sheets, move or copy the sheets. Yes, tab color, we can decide color too, and we can lock the sheet as well. Lock cell, we can lock the cell, but we can lock a particular cell. Okay, so now let's discuss autosum. Autosum, we already had done it. Okay, in a first video, sum, average, count, max, min, we already done it, so we wouldn't be done it again. Okay, now we are trying to keep video as short as possible, so we will cover styles and fill in the next video. Okay, have a good day.